What's up, everybody? Well, I'm happy to say I got a new addition to the shop. It was scored on Facebook Marketplace for $1,000 and it was a steal. What is it? No, it's not just a fence or legs or an extension table. That's right, 10-inch Jet Exacta 3 horsepower 220 volt table saw. New addition. So I got everything down here but obviously the saw and the top because they're heavy as you know what. A lot of the videos when people are unboxing them or putting them together, they're usually in the spot they're going to go, or they can roll it into place. But some of us who have basements and Bilco doors, it's kind of hard to get a heavy saw into the basement. So I figured I would show you how I'm going to attempt to do it with one of my buddies with the help of a little ramp that I built, quick and dirty, and some rigging that we would use in like a low angle system with the fire company. Or high angle, or if you just needed an anchor spot, anchor point in a field. So what we have here, rope, non-life safety rope, just utility rope we have. So we have a couple pickets, right? And the main pickets are going to be, let me get my shadow out of the way. All right, so what you do is you drive 2 pickets, the front one and the back one, in at an angle. And you want the back of the picket facing away from where the load's going to go. And then that middle picket isn't holding the load. So I tied a loop of webbing around both pickets with the water knot. And then you stick the middle picket through it and you twist it around to get tension. And once it's tensioned, you drive it into the ground. And then when you hook into that anchor, you want to go low. Because that's where you're going to have the most support. And see how that one is, that's where it's going to be. And I'm going to attach my rope system here, and then we're going to lower down the Bilco doors. That's the plan. Hopefully it works. I'll let you know.